The challenges of today and the future, protecting our precious planet, keeping our waterways pure, our air clean, our soil rich and fertile. We need a plentiful food supply and a place to call home, and to have both while maintaining our environment. With every mission, we look to forward-thinking people to problem solve, and often it's engineers who are up to the task. Gifted in so many ways, Biosystems engineers are some of the most talented and creative people working today.
Well, this appeals to students that like math and science and biology. So it's bringing biology into engineering.
Biosystems engineering is such a broad, brings in all different aspects of engineering, and then it lets us apply it to biological systems, agricultural systems, environmental systems.
Perhaps our greatest issue, how will the Earth sustain a population expected to approach 10 billion in a few decades? We'll have more people to feed, yet room to grow food is shrinking. Biosystems engineers will build many tools to feed the world. It's happening already. Here, multispectral sensors that are attached to drones, flying over fields and sending valuable information to producers about the health of their crops.
In biosystems engineering, we can use all of this, these principles that we've learned to be able to maximize our yields, maximize our food and fiber production while minimizing those resource inputs that we use. So it lets us be more sustainable and be better stewards through technology.
The University of Tennessee's Herbert College of Agriculture offers majors in biosystems engineering, construction science, and agricultural systems and environmental and soil science. The department has more than 300 students at the graduate and undergraduate level.
Well, the reason that I wanted to get involved with biosystems engineering was because all I knew about what I wanted to do with my career going forward was that I wanted to help the environment. And so there's so many opportunities to do that in biosystems engineering. The professors are really willing to let you help them out with things that they're doing too. So there's so many opportunities of stuff you can do like that.
Approaching graduation, students build senior design projects. Here, students came up with a new way for therapy lights to be mounted in hospitals, helping doctors and nurses deliver improved treatment to their patients. Graduate student Hayden Jordan designed this system to monitor sediment in rivers and streams, comparing clean water to areas impacted by soil erosion.
I really enjoyed the idea of taking real-world problems and trying to address them. So for me, biosystems engineering was really, it was a perfect fit.
Students need to be encouraged by inspiring teachers. Biosystems engineering and soil science includes a unique mix, a faculty of engineers, soil scientists, a bioclimologist, along with technical staff. Nuar Al-Dulmanin mentors students. Here he works with an undergrad to develop computer engineering drawings and a biomass biofuel conversion reactor.
Student mentoring is something that I'm very passionate about, and I credit much of my success to effective mentors. And at the end of the day, I think our most valuable product at the university is our students. You have food, energy, water, natural resources, all of those really interacting closely. And it's more the skill set that future scientists and engineers are gonna need, because it's becoming increasingly multidisciplinary field.
Aaron Webb is a graduate of the program and now in environmental sciences at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Aaron is doing work these days using 3D printing and ground-up wood and plastics. UTIA Biosystems collaborates often with ORNL, a partnership that's beneficial to both.
I'm a senior R&D staff member here at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and my research involves designing biomass supply chains to make good use of forest and agricultural materials for fuel, materials, and power. To me, my technical work is important, but the biggest impact I want to have is mentoring young researchers, and that's and both, even in elementary education, being able to do outreach to them. And then here at the lab, I get to mentor undergraduates all the way up to graduate students and postdocs, and helping them learn how to do science and engineering and apply that to a research career is the most satisfying and most important part of what I do.
Before engineers like Aaron Webb can do their important work, they must first be trained. The Biosystems Engineering program gives students classroom knowledge combined with real-world experience, making them attractive to potential employers. A solid education combined with incredible opportunities and job placement is the pathway for students to find their calling.
Job placement is very high in our program, and students work in consulting, in government regulation, in industry, in Tennessee and outside of Tennessee. Basically, these are students, this program is for students that want to be part of something bigger that has a focus on natural resources. And so the students can really go from concepts to a full-fledged operational system. And when they hit the job market, that gives them an amazing edge.
The only certainty about tomorrow, our world is changing. Biosystems engineers will be there, building, creating, imagining new ways to impact lives, embracing the responsibility to meet the challenges of the future.